If you collaborate with coworkers on spreadsheets, you know how frustrating it is to filter everything perfectly, set up the sheet how you want it, and then come back and it's all changed. Well, imagine if you could actually save your view, everything exactly how you left it, as a template. And then when you come back, all you have to do is select the template that you want. It's actually possible. So I'm going to show you in this video how to create a view template and save it for next time. All right, let's take a look at this data table here, and imagine that you work in this sheet with a couple of coworkers, and each one of you may use the data in a different way, so you apply different filters. But you particularly only want to see this current year. So you go in here and you filter and you deselect 2024 and you only want to see 2025. Hit OK. Now you leave the sheet, your coworker comes in and they take this filter off because they want to do something else with it. So if they deselect the filter and they want to say only want to look at one specific product, then you come back and this is what you find. Well, rather than undoing each other's work every single time, you can just create a saved view. So this is what this looks like. So we're going to actually take this filter off. We're going to clear that. And if you go up to the View tab, there's a sheet view here. And right now you see this is the default view. There's nothing really saved here. But I'm going to create a new view. And this is going to be my view that I'm going to revert back to every time that I use the sheet. I'm going to click New. And then I'm going to apply my changes. So say deselect that. And I only see 2025. And then I'm going to keep the view. And I'm going to name this 2025. All right, now I'm going to exit this. So when my coworker comes in and makes their changes, and they can do whatever they want in here, I'm going to go back and I'm going to select my view, and it takes it right back to the way that I like to have it filtered. And this is going to maintain that filter. It's going to keep it anytime, no matter how many people go in there and make changes. All you have to do is go back here and select the saved sheet view that includes your filters and your data the way you want to see it.